The back squat is a free weight exercise performed with a squat rack using a barbell. Form is very important in this exercise and should be perfected with only the bar at first. Otherwise, injury may result. With the bar in the rack position, approach the bar and then step underneath the bar with feet parallel. Grab the bar with a closed grip and a comfortable width apart. Be sure to place your hands in the exact same location on both sides of the bar. Place the bar on the upper back and shoulders and lift the elbows. This creates a shelf for the bar to rest on. You should be able to feel a groove for the bar. There are actually two bar positions for the back squat, the high bar position and the low bar position. The focus here is on the high bar position. Hold the chest up and out and keep head aligned with the spine in a neutral position during the entire movement. Do not extend the neck and look up while squatting. This puts the neck in an awkward position and causes unnecessary pressure on the spinal column. Once you feel comfortable with the bar on your back, perform a mini squat and stand up. Take 2 steps back, extending the legs. Position the feet shoulder to hip width apart, toes pointing forward, keeping your back flat, chest up, and abdominals tight. Slowly flex at the hips first, pushing the glutes back as if sitting in a chair. The knees will follow. Slowly squat down to your end range of motion. Heels should remain on the floor and knees should not move laterally, medially, or travel over the toes. The depth each person can go varies. Typically dropping until the upper thighs are parallel to the floor is fine. Some prefer to drop below parallel, but the main thing to remember is you drop and stop before one of the following things occur. Heels come off the floor, the trunk flexes forward, or your pelvis tilts under. If one of these things occur, come up slightly until you're back in the proper position. That will be your end range. Once at the bottom, extend your hips and knees, keeping the back straight, chest up, and abs tight. Again, knees should track vertically and not move to either side. Once you are back at the starting position, repeat the movement. The primary muscles used in this movement are the gluteus maximus, which is your rear end, the biceps femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, these are the hamstrings, the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus intermedius, and vastus lateralis, which are the quad muscles. The quad muscles extend the knee while the hamstrings flex the knee. The glutes are responsible for hip flexion.